How to order from ASOS app. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded your ASOS app on your device, and if so, go ahead and open your ASOS app. You will land onto its homepage. Now select any product that you would like to purchase. Tap on Add to Bag. Select your size. Tap on this bag icon. Just like so, tap on Checkout at the bottom page. At this page, if you have any discount or student code, go ahead and tap onto this option and enter your promo code at this page. If you have any voucher or gift card, select this and add your 16-character code at this box. Again, add your postal address for your delivery. Once done, on the payment method, you can either select your payment type as credit or debit card or use PayPal. You will see Buy Now option and tap onto that to place an order from your ASOS app. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel.